this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. This is the Spring Fireplace Mantle Collab. And our hosts are Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie and All Things Shoshana. Our only requirement in this challenge was to add a cross to our mantle. Okay, here is our spring Easter mantle. We started out with the candle holders. I found those at home. I made the garland. As you can see, it's on an evergreen base that I got after Christmas at Michael's for 50 cents. And then I added a garland of peonies and some extra peonies and wisteria down the edges to make it so it droops down my mantle. Then I added this bow because I think because it brings in the Easter eggs and the bunnies. And of course my turquoise truck, that's my logo. So I thought that was really cute. Added this bow, and that reminded me of Easter eggs, and this had Easter eggs in it. And I can always take this off after Easter, and it'd be just the peonies, which to me it'd be just as gorgeous. And then I added these. What do they call them? Felt bunnies. I don't know, bunnies from, these were from Walmart. And I added a bow on the bunny with a peony. And then here's our cross. It says, "He is risen. He is not here," Matthew 2:6. And it's in blue that goes with our bow. And then I also got another pink bunny from Walmart. And I added a pink rose and a little ribbon on him too.